This video is an overview of the sound of the third iteration of the custom drone propeller. A big improvement over the first two. On screen now are the power and dB measurements, compared to propellers of the same diameter and pitch. The efficiency can still be improved, but I'm content with this marginal loss. About 8% compared to Gemfan and 5% to HQ. I'm hopeful that the next prototype will be a bit more efficient. In terms of sound, it is the quietest in the mid to high range of flying, even compared to other propellers on the market. The sound is lower in pitch as well. I find this more pleasant to listen to. If you are interested in how Mark III compares to Emax and the previous versions, that is on screen now. As you can see, it is the most efficient propeller I've made thus far. It is similar to Emax in terms of efficiency. Now I'll follow some sound clips of Mark III versus Gemfan and HQ.